Hey, welcome back to this LionHead walkthrough series. In the last video we have created your skill passport, and now let's take the next step by editing the profile to make it fully yours. First, we're gonna log into the platform and see where we have left off. Here we can see the profile we have created in the last episode, editing the personal info. At this page you can add your phone number, date of birth, the location you're currently at, or you want to search jobs in. The summary can also be edited by giving it a more personal touch. We can also choose on which experiences we want to show on this summary view. So for instance, I can select McDermott here, and then when I accept the changes, it's also visible here. And the same can be done for the education. So next to my master I can also add my bachelor's or minor. Values can be added. So maybe I'm into discipline. Let's see improvement and result. So let's accept these changes. And we can write something about passion. So what do? I like sailing, running, hiking and reading. Then I can also put that on the resume. Ambitions we will do a later page. The career timeline is connected to experiences. So when we edit an experience and we edit the beginning of the end, then this timeline will also automatically be changed. And the same is for locations. So if we change the location of one of these experiences, we will also see the change on the map. But I think the locations are good for now, so I will keep them as is. Then the most important part, the skills. We can edit skills in multiple ways. We can edit the levels by editing the slide bar. We can delete them if we don't want them anymore. And we can also change the text of it. So instead of data analysis, we can say large language models. We type LLM for short. It makes things more easy. And as you can see, the changes will also appear in the page. We can also have the entire overview of all the skills that are here. With a smaller overview here, we can delete the entire skill. And then you can see we decrease the number of pages. Then we go to the software skills. I can also add a software skill. So I worked the last couple of months a lot with Figma. So when I add this and I save it, you can see it's updated here. As I explained in the last video, it's also important on what you want to improve or what you want to learn. So here you can say that maybe I want to improve my data science skills, and next to that I also want to learn how to be a better leader. So I will type leadership and then improve the skills. So I want to improve with a certain amount the leadership skills and also the data science. The same can be done for software, and we show it like this. Then we go to the ambition, which is also in the summary, but we can edit it here. This is actually a simple form for now, where we type where we want to work. I'm now currently in Amsterdam, so let's use that. I want to work close by home, so around 10 kilometers. The role I want to be fulfilling is maybe a developer, full-time, with a salary. At a startup, I want to come to the office, and I like the company LionHead, of course. So we save those changes, and it says desired roles is not yet filled. Then we go to desired roles, developer, and of course we need to press enter. Alright. As you can see, the personal values and the passions are taken over for what we edited in the summary. Here again we can edit the experiences. We can also add the text for the experiences. So for instance, maybe I want to elaborate on this. So I also learned how to deadlines. I can save it, and the same goes for the education. So here I can also add Delft as a location and say that I learned about robotics. Alright, that's it. Now the profile is up to date. And in the next episode, we'll explore how to search for job opportunities and how you're automatically matched based on your skills and based on your ambition. Thank you for watching and see you in the next episode.